Because if you don't poke them, then they don't leak. And if they don't leak, we can't feed Grandpa. Silly.
Blades in the moonlight, teeth on the grind. Saw my hip, sharp edges rewind. Flesh stitch stories, stitched by hand. A mask of pain, stitched face of the damned. Dust in my lungs, rust on my soul. Chains on my hip, chaos my control. Chainsaw humming, that's a choir singing. Every limb I know, the melody swinging. Blood so boozy, the night cry louder. A ghost and a howler. Cornfield maze, death in the stalks. Whispers in the dark, shadows that talk. Pigs in the pen, they squeal like the rest. Carve my truth deep in a coward's chest. Flame in my veins, seal kiss and bone. Unleashing the chains, hollow I stare. No mercy to find, I don't play, leave your soul entwined. Sawdust storms, dancing with death. Breath of the hunted, stealing their breath. Echoes of vengeance, demons take form. Outlaws of fear, born in the storm.
Don't even think of leaving. Not before dinner. Leather grin. Cracked teeth. Rust on the chain. Blood in the soil. Family dinner set. We don't serve no sheep. Gasoline. Fumes in the haze. Screams cut short. Lost in the maze. Nightmare stitched. Souls get flipped. Shadows in the barn. Welcome at Reeds. Abandon all harm. Dinner bells ring. Plates heavy with dread. This ain't a feast, it's a banquet for the dead. Oil on the floor. Guts in the air. Trophies on the wall. They stare with no eyes. Souls in the cellar where the truth always lies. Down mask, it's with regret.